Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious pickles with cucumbers. First, select fresh, firm cucumbers, ideally pickling varieties, and wash them well. Next, gather your essential ingredients: vinegar, water, pickling salt, and any spices you love, like dill or garlic. Finally, ensure your jars and lids are sterilized and ready for packing. This preparation is key for safe and tasty pickles. Now let's create the flavorful brine. In a saucepan, combine water, vinegar, and pickling salt. This forms the base of your pickle's taste. Next, add your chosen spices. Whole dill seeds, garlic cloves, and mustard seeds are popular choices. Gently heat this mixture, stirring until the salt completely dissolves. Do not boil vigorously, just enough to dissolve the salt and infuse the flavors. With your brine ready, it's time to pack the jars. Arrange your prepared cucumbers tightly into the sterilized jars. You can add extra fresh dill or garlic directly into each jar for more flavor. Carefully pour the hot brine over the cucumbers, ensuring you leave about ½ inch of headspace at the top. Remove any trapped air bubbles, then wipe the rims clean and securely seal with new lids. After sealing, let your pickles cure for at least 2 weeks. This allows the flavors to meld and the cucumbers to fully absorb the brine. Store your sealed jars in a cool, dark pantry for up to 1 year. Once opened, always refrigerate your pickles and enjoy them within several weeks for the best taste and texture. Homemade pickles are a delightful treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.